Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on iOS 18. To connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. When it's enabled, you will be able to find your network SSID. If you can't find it, make sure you're standing close enough to the access point and the network is discoverable. I'm going to choose this SSID and let's enter its password. Then press on join. And since I've entered the correct password, I'm connected. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.